Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for semester finals. First, let's talk about planning. Start by creating a detailed study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Breaking down large topics into smaller, manageable sections will prevent overwhelm. Prioritize your subjects based on their difficulty and how much they count towards your final grade. This structured approach ensures you cover all necessary material efficiently and effectively, making the most of your valuable study time. Next, let's explore active learning strategies to boost your retention. Instead of passively reading, actively recall information by testing yourself often. Try explaining complex concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This truly solidifies your understanding. Creating flashcards for key terms, definitions, and formulas is also incredibly effective. These methods engage your brain more deeply, helping you remember information better and for longer periods, which is crucial for final exams. Maintaining your health and well-being is just as important as studying itself. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. A well-rested mind performs better. Remember to take short, regular breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to avoid burnout and maintain focus. Staying hydrated and eating nutritious meals consistently will also fuel your brain. Prioritizing these aspects ensures you have the energy and mental clarity needed to perform your best. On exam day, a brief review of your notes is helpful, but avoid last-minute cramming. When the exam begins, take a moment to read all instructions carefully before you start answering questions. This prevents common mistakes and ensures you understand what's expected. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Good luck with your finals, and remember these strategies for future academic success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.